now ready for racing. Racing just is started. Lovable Francis is Spiker moving up in the middle portion. Playmaker Darlinghurst comes next. Victory Joe. Lazazim Midnight Break while Bayou Data is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader and going along for the first turn. Playmaker Lovable Francis Darlinghurst moving up on the outside. 5 lengths further back in port comes entry number 6 Victory Joe is Spiker. Then down on the inside is Lazazim Midnight Break while Bayou Data is still racing and less back to the leader. We have Playmaker by about 3/4 of a length lead, and in second is Darlinghurst. Victory Joe now moving up to take third. Lovable Francis is Spiker. Lazazim Midnight Break while Bayou Data is still racing in last 400 meters of the race. We have Playmaker by only a length and a half. Victory Joe now moving up on the outside. Darlinghurst is Spiker now trying to get closer in fourth. And as they swing for home, the lead now belongs to Victory Joe by about 2 lengths. Playmaker is Spiker moving up on the outside. Last 50 meters, it's all Victory Joe. And finally, Victory Joe. Second, close is Spiker. Playmaker, Midnight Break, then comes Lazazim.
6824 ba?
5.
5.